Hi guys, this is Dr. Devashish. Welcome back to my channel. On July 16, 2020, one Brazilian political leader posted a video on social media showing a pill he was taking for COVID-19. 12 days later, another political leader from US told reporters in a news conference that I took it for a 14 days period and I am here. It didn't hurt me. So let's see what is this medicine. How is it supposed to act in COVID-19? Should you take this medicine? How is it taken? What are the side effects of this medicine? Condition where this medicine should not be taken. So let's begin. What is this medicine? This is a medicine to treat and prevent malaria called hydroxychloroquine. How is it supposed to act in COVID-19? It is supposed to act in COVID-19 by preventing multiple viruses, including SARS-CoV-2, in few studies. Though these studies were conducted on culture media in laboratory, not on human being. Should you take this medicine? Initially, studies from France, Italy showed beneficial effect of hydroxychloroquine alone or combined with azithromycin to reduce viral load and to hasten recovery in COVID-19. Later, studies conducted by WHO, UK, Brazil showed no beneficial effect of hydroxychloroquine alone or combined with azithromycin in COVID-19. Multiple studies are being conducted to see the role of hydroxychloroquine in prevention of COVID-19. One large study got published recently in New England Journal of Medicine showed hydroxychloroquine didn't prevent COVID-19 infection in moderate to severe exposure. As per interim guideline by WHO published on 27th of May 2020, interim guideline by National Institute of Health published on 27th August of 2020, WHO and NIH, National Institute of Health, has not recommended hydroxychloroquine in treatment and prevention of COVID-19 except in clinical trials. Though these guidelines are interim, will be updated as per evolving evidence. You may have a different guideline by your local authority as per their evidence. What are the side effects of this medicine? The side effects of this medicine are visual symptoms due to retinal toxicity, liver damage, kidney damage, slowing of electrical excitation and recovery of heart, that is QT prolongation, abnormal cardiac rhythm, especially in patients with pre-existing heart disease and taking hydroxychloroquine either in a larger dose or with medicine that causes similar QT prolongation. Skin reactions like rashes and worsening of pre-existing skin lesions like porphyria and psoriasis. It may cause decrease in blood sugar and weakness in the muscle and nerve conduction defect. Neuropsychiatric symptoms like behavioral changes, especially suicidal tendencies. Who should not take this medicine? This medicine should not be taken in a patient having pre-existing retinal disease, pre-existing heart condition, allergy towards hydroxychloroquine or similar compound, deficient of red cell enzyme, that is called G6PD deficiency. That's all about hydroxychloroquine today. Please subscribe my channel.